When you're standing here next to the tank and you see your idea floating around in the water, it's kind of magical. You go, I had an idea and now it's out there floating. Hello, I'm Dorothy Ives. I'm from Hollowell, Maine, and I'm studying civil engineering at the University of Maine. The Windstorm Challenge was one of my favorite memories from high school. You have a couple months to design a platform so that we can put a turbine on it. You and your team are going to bring your floating platform here. We're going to stick it in the tank. They turn on the wind. They get some waves going. Depending on how much your turbine moves will determine your score. We showed up on competition day with our model. When I saw how much enthusiasm there was, I was like, wow, this is going to be a really good day. This experience really made me a lot more excited and confident coming in the fall to study engineering, especially because I knew that just being in this environment and being with so many people who were excited about engineering was going to make it a very enjoyable experience. The Windstorm Challenge is just super fun. Getting to test your idea, you build it, you test it at home, in a lake and wherever, and then you bring it here and you get to test it in this world-class facility, and just having that be so accessible to middle school and high school students, it's a really cool experience. You're gonna gain so much experience and you're going to have a blast, and it's totally worth it.